So hello everyone and welcome back, and today I am up with an interesting video in this channel and this video, and today I am going to talk about who is the strongest character in Skibidi Toilet history. And by strongest, I don't mean by all means. I'm only going to consider the strengths by seeing how much they can lift, how much they can do in their strength only. In this video, I'm going to consider only their raw strength and not anything else. If you want to see overall strongest character, I've already made that video. You can check that out in my channel. But let's start with our list today. So at number 5, we've got a really decent pick, which is of course our Titan Speakerman. He's not really known for his strength, but he's got a decent strength amount, and he can lift the burden you cannot. Really, he's really strong in raw strength as well, but he's the weakest in Titan in order to strength. But that weakness doesn't affect him as he's the fastest as well. But still, being the weakest in strength is also a really downside. But he's still not weak. You should not call him weak in strength as well. He can lift many things like big Skibidi toilets, and of course his weapons are as well heavy. He can lift tons of items which are really heavy and not even can be obtained by anything else. And if you think that Titan Speakerman is really weak, you are a stupid. But anyways, that's it for Titan Speakerman. Let's move on to the 4th spot, which is going to be the Scientist Toilet. Now of course, as we all know, the Scientist Toilet is nothing but a mech, but he's still strong as hell. He can lift Titan Speakerman with ease, he can knock down Titan Cameraman with ease, and he can lift many Titans and many Skibidi toilets. The fact that he's even carrying so heavy weapons, it's unbeatable, which really makes our Titan Scientist Cameraman the 4th spot. And with his recent upgrades, I think he can even lift more than that. But the amount of terror it caused with his strength was amazing and fabulous. But still, many people hate him because of what he did to our Titans in the Alliance. But still, he's a really strong and really powerful character in raw strength. Yet he's not the best in that, because at number 3 we've got Titan TV Man. I know and everyone know that Titan TV Man is not based for physical combat, but he is a master at that too. Titan TV Man can lift anything, literally anything in the whole series. He has thrown G-Man like a toy. He has thrown many Skibidi toilets like it's a toy. But as he's not based for physical combat, it's not really that much excelling. If Titan Man really wanted to be that strong in raw strength, he had to be just made from physical combats. Yet he's just a support unit in order to freeze or hypnotize the Skibidi toilets, which means he's not really that strong in raw strength, yet he still excels at it. And nobody can debate me on that the Titan TV-Man is not strong. He's like one of the strongest characters out there, and he is actually so strong. You just can't debate that he's not strong at all. Not only he excels at weapons and skills, he's already excelling at raw strength as well. But with that clear, let's move on to the number 2nd spot, which is going to be a not obvious spot, which is going to be G-Man Toilet. G-Man Toilet is one of the strongest characters in the whole series, only one character surpassing him. So the G-Man Toilet is actually pretty strong in strength. He can lift Titans all at once. He lifted Titan Speakerman, he lifted Titan Cameraman, and many Titans like that. His raw strength is one of the bases where he can win against anything. He can literally headbutt and knock down any Titan he wants or desires. He don't even need weapons if he had arms, which is exactly why he's so high in this list, and he's number 2 at strength. But still, since he is not known for his strength, he's known for his IQ, his weapons, his ability, his skills, and his battle IQ. That's why he is not the number 1 in this list. If he were to be a Juggernaut, a Abomination, or a Kamikaze, he were to be first in this animation. But since he is a leader, he has to excel in all categories. That's why he is not a master at strength, which is exactly why he's the 2nd spot here. And 2nd spot is not that bad, and he's actually so strong, which is exactly why he's there. Now, the number 1 spot is actually pretty surprising for you all, but it's going to be the Titan Cameraman for me. Now, you cannot debate me on this decision, because of course, Titan Cameraman is made to lift weight, made to physical combat, and like this. Even if you ask me, the other characters can have many more strength than him, you cannot do me that. Titan Cameraman is literally made to lift, made to strength. And of course, because of that, he is the strongest character in raw strength basis. You just cannot surpass Titan Cameraman in raw strength if you are a 2nd Titan. Titan Cameraman has many shown feats that he can even lift G-Man Toilet, he can throw away Astro Toilets, he can throw away anything he desires. And he can bring down buildings in just one hit. He is a one-shot Titan. And just because of his strength, he has carried us through many episodes. We can see he can ragdoll Titan Speakerman with just one hand. Heck, leave the hand, he can just one-shot shot him with his magnets, which really show how strong Titan Cameraman really is in strength basis. So that is of course why Titan Cameraman is on the first part, and that is going to be it for today. I hope I can meet you in the next video. Let's get bye bye.